Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Tabby package is not available on Ubuntu-based repository, so you can install it via downloading the installer package from GitHub by running the following command. Then fix broken packages by running the next command. Last, what you need to do is to install Tabby on your server by the next command. Next, find the next icon and click on it. Tabby will be launched. If you have any question, leave them in the comments.